reveal the truth to Arjun, I was writing a letter. I thought if I kept that letter in Arjun's car, then Arjun would read it later. Then all of a sudden, someone pressed my mouth tightly from behind. I don't remember what happened after that.
And before we had reached, the lover had made Mom fall unconscious.
Tell us who you are. Tell me or else I'll call the police. Where were you taking our mom? Tell us.
Okay, I'll tell you. I will tell you, sir. I was sent here by Karan Mathur to kidnap Mrs. Madhuri Agarwal.
Why? Why? What is Karan's plan? Tell me. Tell me about Karan's plan.
He said that until the conference ended, I had to keep Mrs. Madhuri in Karan's warehouse only.
Why does Karan want to get mom kidnapped?
Because Anjali Agarwal, who testified against me, was nobody else but our mom.
What? I was shocked when I heard the truth. But when I tried to see the truth from Arjun's perspective, then I understood that there must be a reason why mom did all of that.
Kosh, then why didn't you complain against Karan when you had Dilawar as the witness?
No, Diya, we didn't do anything like that. We didn't want Karan Mathur to become alert until the conference ended. So then we told Dilawar to continue the plan and then, yeah, the instructions would be ours.
Yes, it was necessary for Mom to go missing so that everyone, especially Karan, got convinced that she had been kidnapped. So we sent Mom to a safe place with the lover. And when she came around,
Where have you brought me? And isn't he the new guard we hired? Karan, has something happened?
what is this, Mom? How could you even think of doing something like this? Who were you trying to help? Me?
You see, I didn't have the guts to tell you the truth.
Why? Because you didn't believe that your son would understand? Right, Mom?
Don't say it. Don't call me mom. I don't deserve it. I just ruined your life, dear. I thought if you stayed away from badminton, you would be able to start a fresh life. You would be away from Karan Mathur. That's why I listened to your dad. But my God knows, dear, that I wasn't happy with my decision. I felt guilty every moment. I regretted my actions. I knew that the day you found out the truth, you would start hating me, your mom. And I would rather die than endure my children's hatred. There is no point in living. Let me die. I don't want to live.
Don't you dare! Don't you dare, Mom! Never talk about dying or leaving me. You're my mom. How could you even think that I would start hating you?
Mom, what were you planning to do? You didn't even consider the fact that we would be left shattered if you left us.
Keeping mom safe was my priority. So all of us stayed with the kidnapping angle. Since Karan had kidnapped all the witnesses, I no longer had any evidence against him. So I went to talk to Karan and I recorded everything that he had said. He didn't know that. He thought that he had the upper hand. Mom, evidence, witnesses, etc. They were all with him.
Is the work done?
Yes.
Did you get her there? Keep her with you until the conference ends.
Dilawar spoke to Karan. He didn't get suspicious.
Sir, so may I leave now?
Stand here quietly. We'll let you go when the time is right. Finally, Karan Mathur's game is up. We have the evidence and the witness.
And you all saw what happened at the conference. It was there for everyone to see.
But Arjun, what about those witnesses who Karan had kidnapped?
The police had tracked their location, and they're all safe in their respective houses. Had Karan got a whiff about our plan, he would have made you his next target. That's why I didn't tell you anything, Dia, and kept you at home.
Whatever it is, you have made a mistake. You didn't tell me anything. You will be punished for that.
Okay, Mrs. Dia Agarwal. The culprit is ready for punishment. Now tell me, what's her punishment now?
Father, please save me. Father, one last time, please. The police will be here at any moment. Just, hello? Hello? Father? Darn it. I'll try again. He isn't answering. Close the door.
Sir, we won't be able to stop the police from coming in for long because the Badminton Association has passed the inquiry orders against you, because of which your power and post have been taken away from you. Mr. Karan, we are here to arrest you.
I won't go anywhere. All the accusations against me are false. Send the video for forensic examination. Check the authenticity.
We have an arrest warrant against you. You will have to come along.
Officer, please, give me a minute, please. Give me 1 minute. Where are you? What are you doing? Police have come to arrest me. Apply for bail. Officer, please don't handcuff me. There are media persons outside, please.
Let's go.
Mr. Karan!
Karan sir!
Mr. Mathur.
Mr. Karan!
Karan sir!
Mr. Mathur, 5 years back you framed Mr. Arjun Agarwal in a drugs case. Did you have any personal enmity with him?
Are you behind,
Dr. Sain's murder?
Please tell us,
Please
sir.
tell
We
us,
want
sir.
to know.
We want to
Please
know.
answer this.
It's all a lie. The allegations made against me are wrong. You're making a big mistake by trusting Arjun. I haven't done anything.
Sir, but move aside.
Sir,
Let us do
tell
our
us,
job.
sir. Why did you
please,
do this?
Sir,
Please,
answer
you tell
our
us,
questions,
sir.
sir. Please.
Why
Please
did you
tell
do
us.
You
this?
have to answer us.
Please,
We
tell us.
want
We
to
want to
know.
know.
What do you mean by you can't do anything? Mr. Kashyap, you are a lawyer. There must be a way. Please try and understand. The police are standing at the door.
Where are you going? You won't go anywhere. This is our house. Let me see how the police take you away.
Love, what did the lawyer say?
We should have applied for anticipatory bail. Dad will have to go to police custody once. We can do something only after that. For now, we can't do anything.
No one needs to do anything. I've made a mistake. And I'm ready to bear the punishment.
No. No, why will you be punished? Inspector, my husband hasn't done anything wrong. This is all Karan Mathur's fault. He used my husband as a pawn. Please try to understand. Inspector, he had threatened my husband that he would ruin us. My husband was compelled to do all this. Look, my husband has realized his mistake. You have no right to take him to jail.
Mrs. Agarwal, don't teach us about our rights. Those who support the wrong is also a wrong person. It doesn't matter whether they do it knowingly or unknowingly. Mr. Agarwal will have to come with us.
Where are you going? You won't go anywhere. This is our house. Let me see how the police take you away.
Those who support the wrong is also a wrong person. It doesn't matter whether they do it knowingly or unknowingly. Mr. Agarwal will have to come with us.
Mom! No, Inspector! My husband is not at fault!
Mom, please pull yourself together. We are trying our best. Dad will come back home soon. But please pull yourself together.
Madhuri, why are you crying? You should be happy. We've been living in fear for so many years. And now we have nothing to fear anymore. If we think carefully, I've lost so many things. My reputation, the business that I built with great difficulty and for which I worked so hard, I lost it all. But what I have got is my family. Madhuri, I hadn't seen unity in my family in all these years. No one considered each other family. When someone faced problems, no one supported them. This is the first time that we've been faced with such a big problem. And now, all of us are facing it together. I didn't understand in all these years that this is my real wealth. Love, I want to say something to you. You always supported me in my business. You did. As I said, you always followed my orders. But now, along with the business, you have to take care of the family also. Look, Kush, you always stood by your brother in difficult times. You supported him. But now you have to support Love also by helping him with the business. Madhuri, I know I'll be belittling myself by saying anything to you. But I still want to say something. They have all united with great difficulty. Until I come back, keep them together with your love and trust. Keep them together. And Dia, I admit what I did to Arjun was wrong. But more than that, I have wronged you too.
No, father. No, please don't say that.
I never accepted you. And yes, today I agree with my mom and Madhuri. They would tell me that you are the goddess's blessings, but I never believed them. I thought you were a curse. But no, you've proven me wrong. Really, you are a blessing to our family. A true blessing, a mother's blessing. And yes, you've come into Arjun's life. Like a ray of hope, you brought him hope. Took care of his life as well as my family. Just a second. If possible, please forgive me. Let's go.
Inspector! Please don't take him away. Don't take him away. Please don't take him away.
Mom, please pull yourself together. Mom.
I haven't come to play my game, but to ruin yours. And I've come to tell you that dishonesty can only buy dishonest people off. Or should I say that the countdown to the ruination of your empire has finally begun?
Mr. Khurana had called. He wants to talk to you. Talk to him quickly, please.
Why have you called me now? To ask me how I'm here? Do you know how the police tracked me, Karan Mathur, here in front of the media? Where were you then?
I am sorry, son. But when you had called, I was in a party meeting.
Oh, please. Is nothing more important to you than politics?
Many people were there at that time. The way this news has spread in the media, I couldn't have done anything for you. Even if I wanted to. But son, do not worry. I have spoken to the officers. You won't face any problems there.
I haven't come here on holiday, father. I am in police custody. Let alone night. I won't spend even an hour here. Get me out of here. Please. I am the Karan Mathur. What will people say?
Karan dear, please calm down. Please calm down. I've spoken to the lawyer. We'll find a way out very soon.
I am Karan Mathur. You just get me out of here. Nothing will be proved against Karan Mathur. I will cause destruction. Let me get out of here. After that, I'll show you. I will punish Arjun.
You will do nothing of the sort. Nothing at all. Everyone's eyes are on this case. And don't forget that Amitabh Agarwal is no ordinary man. The police have arrested him too. There is a lot of pressure, son. A lot. I only want you to stay calm. Let me think about what I have to do to this Arjun Agarwal. I will not spare him this time.
No. You won't do anything to Arjun. I will punish Arjun. You just get me out of here. Please.
Listen. Get Karan's bail papers ready. We have to get him out at the earliest. Otherwise, he will go crazy in the jail.
Power, money, contacts. Use everything but get father out of jail.
But Mr.
Oh,
Love,
please. I don't want any more excuses. You are given 4 times more than your fees. Everything in this world can be sold. And who you have to buy for Amitabh Agarwal's freedom is your lookout. I don't know how dad will stay in jail. One more thing. As long as dad is in jail, there should be no compromise in his health and hygiene. Appoint a doctor who will examine him in the morning and evening. Until dad is released, you have to use all your power to get him out. Dad is the victim in this case, not guilty. Karan had blackmailed him.
Exactly. You just have to prove in court that dad did all this under Karan Mathur's pressure. That's it.
that is fine, Mr. Kush. But I have to meet Mr. Amitabh Agarwal to find out what is he thinking. I don't want him to say something different from what we are planning in the court.
You don't worry. I have spoken to dad about this. Do your work. Amitabh Agarwal should be in Agarwal mansion by tomorrow morning.
Okay. We will try our level best. Hopefully, Mr. Agarwal will be bailed out by morning. Let's go.
Hopefully, dad will be bailed out by tomorrow morning.
Why are you telling him? He never ever liked dad. Had it made a difference to him, he would have thought twice before doing all this. He should have thought that dad would also be punished along with Karan. But he doesn't care. He only wanted to take revenge. I don't need him. I will do what has to be done. I will do everything in my power. But I won't let dad stay in jail.
What are you saying, love? We're also worried about him. We don't want him to stay in jail either.
Don't pretend, Kush. At least not in front of me. Did you forget that he's your dad when you were supporting Arjun?
Love, this is not the right time to fight. We have to work together to get dad released. And why are you so angry, huh? Did anyone send dad to jail like that? No, right? All this happened because dad was involved in this case.